Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a lead in Zoho CRM. Leads are the foundation of your sales process. So let's get started and follow these steps together. Now for the first step is to navigate to the leads model. And before you do that, you have to log into your Zoho CRM account. And to do so, just open your web browser and search for the CRM website. Once it appears, enter your account credentials and log in. You can also log in by your Google account or Facebook account. Now, once you're in the Zoho CRM dashboard, click on Leads Model in the left-hand menu right here and open it. Now, the second step is to add a new lead. Click on Create New Lead. Let's wait for it. Yeah, let's click on this button, this blue button right here. Create a lead. Now, fill out details like name, company, email, phone number, and any other relevant information. Just fill them right here and the cases. Add custom fields if needed by going to settings and customization. Now for the third step, after you finish modifying and entering all the information, click on save right here. And your leads is now in the CRM and ready for a follow-up. Now it won't be because I will create a new lead, create a new lead here, and just like this. And that's it. You've successfully created a lead in Zoho CRM. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.